A mesmerizing show that we just got to witness by three fantastic designers, Amoho by Jade, Monica and Karishma, Shreya Som, and Sonakshi Raj. I'd love to hear from all the designers what they thought about when they were creating this collection, because each one was so unique in its style, in its interpretation, and it did complete justice to each of the showstoppers that present on stage. So I'd like to start with Shreya, because I mean you're the closest. And I just love to hear from you because from Diana's ensemble we get to feel of a completely wilderness-inspired creation. So I'd love to hear from you about what went into creating this collection.
So I think my main inspiration was Gipure lace. So I was trying to do that with cut work. So after embroidering the entire fabric, they had this tedious way of like cutting each leaf, as you can see, and also showing the inner construction of the garment, which I tried to show like throughout the collection.
Thank you. Diana, you look absolutely fierce and beautiful. Could you let us know what it was like when Shreya told you you'd be wearing this garment and how it was walking for her at Lakme Fashion Week Winter Festive?
I feel like a real-life princess. Closest to one that I could get. But yeah, all Shreya's garments are usually extremely feminine, very pretty. And I love the construction of this outfit. And I love the textures and the fabrics. Like she said, a lot of cut work and lace and applique, which is very, very pretty. So yeah, I mean, I actually feel like a cake.
Thank you. Could I please request Monica for Amoho by Jade to let us know about her creation because it was stunning. It gave us a complete retro vibe. Would love to hear from you what it was like.
So Amoho is the luxury pret line that Jade has launched. It's a very easy, young vibe that we've tried to create. If you see Nidhi's outfit and Ananya's outfit, Ananya has got Jodhpuri pants, which, she's very energetic, so it helps her move on stage. Nidhi's outfit has this Mukesh and Nakshi work, which is very contemporary. So it's a very young contemporary line.
Thank you. Nidhi, how was it like walking the ramp for her? Because I believe this is your first.
Yeah, this is the first time I'm walking the ramp for Lakme Fashion Week. I used to be a model before I got into acting, and it felt really good. It felt a little bit nostalgic, but extremely comfortable. This is a beautiful garment. It has these dancing dolls, so I feel really beautiful in it. Thanks, Monica. And when Ananya was singing, it was so much fun, so I think I've had a great time.
It was so nice to actually have a live performance on stage.
Yeah,
so
exactly.
Ananya, I'd love to hear from you. Like, how did the concept come together when the Jade team came up to you and you're like, hey, we'd love for you to be a part of the show?
I was just very privileged. I said yes immediately. I saw the garments and I fell in love with the one I'm wearing right now. I think it's very me. It's very young, youthful, and it looks great, and yet it's very comfortable. I was very comfortable on stage, which you have to be as an artist. So it worked really well, and yeah, I would like to say thank you to Monica. It was an absolute pleasure for me to work for Monica and be part of Lakme Fashion Week.
You looked like you were having a blast out there.
I really enjoyed. I hope everyone else did. I enjoyed myself. Yeah, enjoyed.
So coming to our last designer, being comfortable in your own skin took on a whole new meaning with this show. Sonakshi would love to hear from you because this collection is called Skin. So,
well, that's right. So my collection is called Skin, and skin to everyone has a different take on skin. But for me, skin is the most beautiful aspect of a woman's body, and that's what I've tried to enhance this season in my collection. And as you can see, my beautiful showstopper Pooja Hegde is doing complete justice to my collection, to my showstopper outfit. She's my golden lady of the hour, and wearing this. So this time I had a different take on this particular silhouette. So instead of having a gown with a trail, I thought, why not let's do like a fitted, like a skin-hugging jumper, like a jumpsuit with a trail with fringe dripping tassels and all of that. So if you could see her on the ramp, I mean, she looked like, she's owning her own skin. And I think that's the most beautiful aspect of a woman's body. And that's what I've tried to portray this season.
Could we hear from the goddess dipped in gold? Pooja?
It was really exciting. I mean, walking for Lakme is always really prestigious, and to be here second time round, walking for Sonakshi and with Sonakshi, I felt absolutely beautiful, and she's made me look hot and sexy, I would say. And thank you so much for that. But I think she just told me to enjoy myself on the ramp, and she said, "Be yourself," which is what her collection is, and I did.
Yes, you all did. So we have the princess in white, we have the retro diva, and we've got the goddess in gold. It's great. Thank you so much, guys. I'm just going to open the floor to the media for their questions.
I think it felt the same. It felt great. I don't know the difference. I just know that I had a lot of fun and it was great. I love my outfit. Yeah, I had fun.
Nidhi was looking so great. I thought I want to really open the show with a bang. So that's how the idea came out.
Great. Thank you so much. Just a request, I know it's going to be a little tedious, but could we have you to the front so we could take a couple of pictures?